gas station employee. She got caught doing something she shouldn't have been doing. When are y'all gonna learn? Money you steal, you gonna have to pay back. It ain't worth it.
Got your ass.
Hey, can you come with me real quick? I gotta talk to you. Yes.
Yeah, you.
We gotta talk about some stuff. Step outside for me.
Look at her playing dumb.
Alright, we'll talk about it. Come on.
Oh, you know
See you come here for me real quick.
looks like a typical gas station employee.
Come on, just come this way. Alright, come over here.
Playing dumb.
Stand against my car, alright?
Okay, what is this about?
I'm gonna explain it to you.
You know what it's about.
Just hang out, okay? Just give me a second, okay?
Okay.
Just let me get through this
Look at
steps,
that
and then
hairdo.
we're gonna go from there, okay? So I'm gonna read you something, all right? Just bear with me a second, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that? Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand that?
Okay.
You understand? You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being
Look
questioned.
at
Do you
that
understand
stupid look on her face.
that? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning.
Why do they think playing dumb is
going
gonna get them
Each of these
off?
rights, have I explained them to you?
Yes.
All right, having these rights in mind, do you want to talk to me?
About? I want to know what it's about.
All right, it's about some lottery tickets.
Oh shit.
Okay.
All right. Do you know anything about lottery tickets?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
What do you know about them?
That I work with them.
Okay.
What else?
Do you know about them? This is. I'm giving you a chance to be forthcoming and honest with me. So I'm gonna give you a chance to tell me what happened, and then based on what you say, I'm gonna tell you what I know.
Okay.
But I'm giving you a chance to be honest, okay?
You know
That's it.
everything.
Okay.
Okay, so
Here?
yeah, there's something happened here
Okay.
about some lottery tickets. Your name came up.
Okay.
I've been doing a lot of research today. Let's just put it that way, okay?
Okay.
So look, I came up here to talk to you. So to give you maybe there's a logical explanation to this. I don't know. That's why I'm here, to give you a chance to explain. So
What is she doing?
that's what I'm here for. Go ahead.
Can I talk to my boss?
No, you
No,
can't.
Not right now.
Okay.
Talk to you.
So, I don't know. What am I being blamed for? Stolen lottery tickets or something?
Yeah, you are.
Do you know anything about any
'Cause
stolen
you did
lottery
it.
tickets?
You didn't blame homegirl.
Really? I mean,
Uh-huh.
no.
Working last Thursday?
Last Thursday?
Yeah, she were.
15.
15.
I don't know. I can check my phone is here. I don't know.
Do you remember?
You don't remember?
Because I already know you were here last week.
Oh, okay. Well,
Okay.
so what?
Yeah.
I mean,
I'm just giving you a chance to be just to be upfront with me. That's all.
Did anything happen involving lottery tickets last Thursday? Scratch offs.
Did you make a mistake?
yeah, I probably, but I thought I worked that over with him.
What mistake did you make?
Well, he said that there was a short or something like that.
Short of what?
Sure.
I don't really remember. That's
No,
what
I'm asking
I
you.
don't
Short of
remember
lottery tickets?
there was a
Yeah, the
short.
count.
Okay.
When
Like-
you say a short, how do you mean? Is it like one ticket missing? Is it like 80 tickets missing?
I don't know. There was a short, I guess, of like maybe a couple, like $50, $60 or something like that, I guess.
So like short in your drawer or
No,
short
for
in
the, because you have to actually count them as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like the tickets were short.
Yeah.
Okay. Did
So
he
I
ever
don't
say
know
how
if
many were short?
No, and I thought I worked that over with. I know he came to me and
Yeah.
said it, but
Yeah.
I thought I worked that over, but it was coming out of my check.
Okay.
Oh,
So I
okay.
don't.
How much was supposed to come out of your check?
I don't know. That's what I'm saying. I don't really remember. I can look. I mean, I don't.
Oh, you don't remember that? You will remember if someone was coming out of your check. You would remember your boss say $50 coming out of your check. You would remember that. Last Thursday is not that far away. I don't know why you think playing dumb is gonna get you out of stealing money. When it comes to money, they gonna want their money back. They gonna figure out how. Especially if it's one of these local gas stations. I'm not talking about the big box ones. I'm talking about locally owned. They gonna see that money missing.
$60.
I'm thinking that's one of the last thing I remember.
Who discovered the short? Who talked to you about it?
The only person who would discover is my boss, and he would.
Now, when you say my boss, you're referring to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
came to you and said there was an issue.
Yeah, he'll always come to you if it's short the next day, and then he'll let you know, and then I'm like, okay, well,
Well, we're not saying work it out. Do you mean like he just
I'm
takes it
gonna
from your
pay.
paycheck?
Yeah, I'm gonna pay for it. I'm gonna have to pay for it. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh
Yeah, I'm
wow.
gonna have to pay it back.
And how much did he say it was at that time?
I don't. That's why I say I can look at my phone. I can remember the day, but I don't really remember offhand.
Okay, that's fine.
Damn, how much are you short all the time?
Well,
You can't
there's
remember.
a bunch missing right now. A whole bunch.
Usually
Like
a bunch.
a bunch. Like
So,
I'm just like I said. Keep in mind, okay? I just
Bunch.
want you to keep in mind.
How much is a bunch?
There's tons of cameras in here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
You tried to do a good job, but there was some. We can still see some things.
Oh, she was
Watch the
slick.
video.
so
That's what I want. This is your chance to be honest. Like, listen, there's bad people in this world, and there's people that just
See
make
that look?
mistakes.
Yeah.
She knows
Alright,
she
if
get
you
caught.
just make a mistake, say, hey, look, I screwed up. I made a mistake.
She
It is what
realized
it is.
she thought
We own
she
it,
thought
we
she
move
was
on. But
she
then
thought she
there's
was
bad
slick and
people
got
that
away with it.
continually-
You saw that look on her face. They got me. She thought she avoided the cameras. They got me. They got you.
Yeah.
I don't think,
That's fine.
and listen to me, I don't think you did bad things. Because I can tell you right now, it looks
Playing
like you're
dumb's
wearing
not
the
gonna
same
work on this
exact
one.
clothes you were wearing
Yeah.
last week.
Yeah.
So my guess is it's the holidays. Christmas is right around the corner. You have any kids?
Yeah.
You have kids.
She broke.
You probably want to give them a good Christmas. We have all this stuff going on. Inflation's up, everything's up. Like, it's an easy way to make a few extra bucks.
Basically, what he's trying to say is your broke ass stole it. You ain't got no money. You know you got kids and Christmas. Daddy probably not understood. Your broke ass stole that money. Not confess up. We got you.
I think all that weighing on you, you're a mom, you got all this stuff going on. It's like, again, it's Christmas, it's the holidays, like, we made a mistake, we own it, we move the hell on, and we deal with it.
Yeah.
is that what happened?
I own it, but I ain't saying nothing. Own it to the lawyer.
As of right now, you're not under arrest.
We do have to explain to you the fact that the reason we're out here is because it's 5 full rolls of lottery tickets.
Yeah.
Whoa. 5 full rows of lottery tickets? You can't be that dumb and greedy. Damn.
It's missing.
Books.
Yeah, so lottery tickets come in these
Yeah,
rolls
yeah, I
that
know how,
slide.
cause yeah.
5 books are missing. Several of those tickets were cashed at the time that you were working here. And we know that because the Gaming Commission tracks every single ticket
Yeah.
to the letter.
Yeah.
To the second that it was
Very
Yeah,
cashed.
cause it's in the thing.
Exactly. They were cashed while you were on duty at this location and no one else was in the store but you.
She got so greedy and dumb, somebody else cashed the ticket. She cashed it herself. Now she wanna play here and look dumb with that stupid look on her face. Somebody else could have won that. That's probably why when I scratches, I don't win. Mother stealing.
Got it.
Oh, she better run. Oh, she about to. Oh my God. Boy, he was ready. He was about to snatch your ass up and get shot with some damn lotto tickets.
You scared me, girl.
Why would I do that? You're right here.
You scared me to death. You gave me a heart attack.
I have to hit it
Come
to
on.
roll up the window.
I got you. You scared me to death.
Ooh,
Come
he was gonna shoot your ass to
We're gonna make
death.
this really bad.
Oh,
Hold on. Okay. Just give it up.
You need help?
no, I got it.
You got it. Nah, it's a nice car.
Just pull the whole bag out. Come on.
That's what I'm saying. It's right here.
Oh my
Just pull the
God.
whole bag out.
Oh
Just pull
my
the-
God,
Dan,
look
pull
at
the whole
that.
bag out. Let's
Look
go.
at that.
These are mine.
Okay, just pull the whole
I'm
bag
getting
out.
the books that you asked for. Here.
Yeah.
Oh my God. She got it. Oh, are you serious?
All right. Tell you what. Just hop out for me. No, just no.
Let's
There's a
hop
whole
out.
bunch more in there. There's a whole bunch.
Because
Just
these
step
are
out.
mine. That's what
You
I'm
didn't
saying.
buy all those books. I'll tell you what. If we're
Yeah,
gonna
I'm
play,
gonna
we're gonna
get,
play the game. I'm just gonna
no,
tow the car and write a search
I'm
warrant
gonna
on it.
get that. I'm gonna get the.
Okay, we're done. We're done.
Yeah, we're done.
No, please,
We're done.
please,
We're
please,
done.
here. Okay, just take the bag. Okay, Officer Mike, I'm sorry. Please, please,
Uh-huh.
please.
Stop.
I'm
We're done
begging
playing
you.
games. We're done
I'm
playing
begging
games.
you. Just take the
No,
bag. Okay,
I've been
I'm sorry.
nice.
I'm
You're
sorry.
trying
You're resisting.
Stop. Turn around, man.
You're
Turn
resisting.
around. Stop.
You're resisting. You're resisting.
At this point, you will catch an additional charge.
Don't get the extra charge.
I'm telling you now, Mott, please.
Give me your other hand.
Okay,
Put your hand behind your back.
Stop, Deanna.
Put your hand behind
Oh,
your
she's
back.
resisting.
Please, sir.
Deanna, stop.
Sir, please. Okay, here.
Stop resisting.
Stop.
Because right now you're going to get hurt.
No,
Stop.
I'm asking you, can you just take
Grab the
it?
cup, grab the cup. We're trying
You're
to be
done.
gentle with you.
Please.
I got you.
We're trying to be gentle.
What she thinks she's not going to jail?
No,
At
we're
this
done.
point, you cannot reach for anything
done.
else.
We're done.
Mott, please, just take the bag.
No,
Just
we're
take
done
the
playing.
bag,
We're done playing.
please.
We're done playing. We're done playing.
Here. Mott.
No, we're done.
Here.
We tried.
Okay, please.
No, hold on, let me double lock, Chris. Hold on.
Mott, please.
No.
At this point, did you see all them books she had? And then sitting up here talking about they're hers. Man, if you don't get the hell out of here, you know all them books ain't yours. How much money do you think those books are worth? One of them is like, do somebody sit down and scratch them all, see how much they won, and charge her with the amount that was scratched off? Probably not. Probably just a...
I'm begging you,
I wanna
please.
get
Just
tired.
take
I
the
got you.
bag. Mott, please. Question. Mott, please.
Deanna, get in.
We can take these because she showed them to us. We can take these because...
You just want to tow it? Huh?
We could search it at this point. She
There's books and books and books in
She's
here.
been cashing these.
This
Yeah.
has been going a lot longer than we know.
She's been cashing these and cashing these and cashing these.
I know. So, alright.
How much she cashed?
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm from the door too because I guarantee they're
Yeah, I
coming.
know. This is crazy.
Look at this. This has been going on for a lot longer than
So we
even.
get
Do you see all them books she got? Look at all those books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At least 7 books? That is bold. Don't they like count those books at the end of the night? That is wow.
So,
this is crazy. I wonder. Well,
oh,
yeah.
there you go. That's.
I have to look and see.
Do not deface or lose this card. It must be retained in order to record this book as received.
Yeah. There's so much here.
Here.
I say we just write a ticket on it, bro.
Okay. If that's what you
I
want to do,
say.
I'm
I
fine
mean,
with
it's
that.
not the crime of the century, but it's a hell of a theft. It's a lot more theft than we thought.
Dude, this is a huge
I
stake.
say we tow it and just
Okay.
write a ticket on it.
I'm fine with that. You're still recording?
Oh,
Yeah, I'm
okay,
still
good.
And
So,
choose our card.
just so it gets on the camera, as soon as I grabbed these, I saw all of these. I think these are all, these are all scratched. So,
Damn.
dude,
I say we tow it and write a ticket
at
on
this
it.
point, I don't want to go any further. We could, but I'm not going to.
Mott. Please.
We're done.
But I was
done.
gonna get the bag. I just didn't want to seem like, please.
Did she think giving them a bag was not, she was not gonna go to jail?
Mott, can you just give me?
This
Mott,
woman
I
is
need to
living in
ask you a
Look
delusion.
at this.
question.
Look, here's the thing. I'm gonna pull you out the car, okay?
Yes.
I'm gonna put these cuffs back behind
But
your back.
I just want to ask.
I'm
talk
going
to
to
you.
put these cuffs back behind your back, and you're not gonna resist us, okay?
Yeah, but can I
Okay.
just talk to you really quick?
We will talk, but we're gonna put these cuffs
No,
back
but what
behind your
I'm
back.
saying is I wasn't trying to hide. Look, I'm not gonna.
Whoa.
Look, I wasn't trying to hide anything. Okay, can I just say something, please?
Just turn
Stop.
around.
Right now you can't talk, okay? I'll make a deal with you. If you put your butt in that seat and you can leave your feet out like this, we will talk.
Okay, but I just wanna.
Slide.
Look, I didn't wanna. I
Put
didn't
your
wanna
feet in.
seem. Yes, sir.
I'm telling you, I'm a man of my word.
No, ow.
It's
I'm
okay.
sorry.
It's okay.
You guys
You
thought
made a
I was
mistake.
trying to
It's fine.
hide it, and I wasn't.
Look, Dan, what you were doing is you were trying to match up the numbers that you knew that I had.
No,
to keep the rest.
because I don't know the numbers that you
Okay.
have, mine.
All right, that's fine. It's modes.
Sorry,
Yes, ma'am.
sorry,
That's
sorry.
fine.
But I wasn't, when I walked you to the car, I wasn't trying to hide it.
Okay.
I just didn't want to pull the whole bag out and seem like this is really bad person, like a whole bag of fucking lottery tickets.
I know. That's
And I
fine.
wasn't trying to match up anything. I swear on my life.
The woman was arrested and charged with grand theft. She was only given 60 days in jail and restitution as part of her plea bargain. But this wouldn't be the end of her criminal career. When she arrived at the police station, a warrant was put out for her arrest for missing a court date, and officers found drugs in her possession. On top of that, after her case was closed, she caught another theft charge for stealing again.
What more is there to say? What do you think was going through this woman's head? She get caught with a charge, goes and get caught with another charge with drugs, gets off that, and then get caught stealing again. Maybe she's just a klepto. She had to pay restitution after restitution after restitution. She's not just some, one-time bandit. She's the Hamburglar. For goodness sake. Good grief. Don't leave your wallet around her. These are the type of people you can't leave your wallet around. You can't leave them in your house. If you come back, everything will be gone. You'll be like, damn, where's all my stuff? You look at her, oh no. Somebody, like that person came in there and took it. She stole and she got caught. You messed up, she got caught. Then she went and stole again and she got caught. Can you imagine the amount of restitution she's gonna have to pay? Then you heard what said? She didn't get that very long. Of all the lotto tickets she stole, off all the money she stole, $25,000 scratch off. It didn't say whether she got the money, but she did try to cash it in. Maybe that's why she didn't get long, because she didn't actually collect the money, or she didn't, it wasn't a customer's ticket that she tried to cash in. It was from a stolen scratch off. Possibly that's why she didn't get long. She don't care, obviously. So for her paying restitution, lawyer fees and all that stuff, doesn't matter. Probably got a court-appointed lawyer. But clearly she didn't learn a lesson, and money doesn't matter to her. What are your thoughts? What do you think?